Hello, I'm Ruby. Today I'm going to talk about our Slatwall series of golf accessories. You can see that these are the golf accessories we currently have. They're half for display iron, wooden golf clubs, and some related display methods. The one in my hand is iron golf club accessory. There are 10 holes. It can put 10 iron golf clubs. Its surface is used PE coating. When you hang the iron golf clubs, it won't hurt your golf clubs. These two are actually the same shape. One is acrylic and the other is metal. The metal is same as previous Slatwall metal golf club display, just made it in a different shape, but the hanging method is the same. The same as 10 holes, can hang 10 iron golf clubs. These two in my hand are the golf club bases. The golf club base is designed to give the golf clubs a staggered display feel. So use this metal base to raise its height a little bit. This golf club base can be placed directly on the floor for protect iron golf clubs. Its material is made of rubber. It won't hurt golf clubs. This is wood club bracket. The wood club bracket is composed of 30 centimeters face out and plus for holders. Then every holder is made up of plastic injection. When hanging the wooden golf clubs, it will not damage the golf clubs. There are also adjustment screw at the bottom for fixing. The golf club holders have 4 colors. We can help you put the logo sticker on the front half of the holder. There is also the display for wooden golf clubs. This type can use the same hanging as the previous one to match. The same thing is to put it up and tighten the screws below to use it. The special about display is wooden golf clubs can be placed on left and right side. The difference is that is made of metal. Its surface is also used PE coating. While we are hanging wooden golf clubs, the wooden golf clubs won't hurt. Finally, this is acrylic Slatwall shoe shelf. The thickness of acrylic is 5 millimeters. It has 2 sides, one is matte black and the other is bright black. When we decide which side to use for display, have different styles and modeling. The most special design is that we have chamfered the corners. When displaying products, it will not hurt the products and hands. That's the general products introduction of our golf series. If you want to see more storage products, please leave a message, share, like and turn on the bell.